how to buy Stargate AI token. So this token came under the symbol of Stargate. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it's available on the screener. It's released just 6 hours ago. It's increased by 3,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 9%. That's good. That's many investment in a safe place. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, but before that, this token is trending number 2 right now in the screener. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under this Solana network. Open your fund wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or customer, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you are be able to buy this token without any issue on your wallet. So this is how to buy Stargate token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.